commentary. Oh shit. Come on, get commentary. We're chasing a rooster, right?
Suspect is right in front of us.
Seriously.
Checking his feelings, I guess.
Probably.
Oh,
The rooster, aka the cock. Let's go closer. Come on, man, come closer. It's not gonna hurt you, it's a rooster. Look at that thing. Oh my god, it's walking away. You wanna hear it gobble? Oh! Oh, it's behind the tree. It thinks it can hide. Oh shit! We got it surrounded, man. Oh shit! Where? Dude, he's going all the way around. I lost it. Where'd it go? Oh yeah. Oh shit. I can't see it anymore, man. Ah! I got stabbed. I lost it, dude. I know. I wanted to come here. Oh shit, man. It's right there. Can't even see it. I don't see it. Oh, I see it. Let's leave it, man. You saw that?